Here we are solving the question number 5. The first of it is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. Now for the question number 5 it is given that we are supposed to divide the given rational numbers. तो हमको गिवन रैशनल नंबर का डिवीजन करना है, तो इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि पहला वाला जो रैशनल नंबर है हम उसको वैसे ही रखते हैं. सेकेंड वाले को जब भी हम सॉल्व करने जाते हैं तो वी आर सपोज टू टेक द multiplicative inverse of the second one, and in the middle we are supposed to write down the multiplication sign. So how we are solving, that is here 40 upon 12 into 4 upon 10. So if we will multiply it, what we are going to get, 4 4s are 16, so it will be 160. So here 12 10s are 120. So here it becomes this one and this one get cancelled. So now with the table of 4 we will divide it. So 12 3s, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So here 4 upon 3. So the answer is 4 upon 3. Now the second question we are going to solve. Minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. So for this again we are supposed to take the multiplicative inverse for the second one. So here minus 10 upon 11 into 10 upon 11, here minus sign should come. So here what will happen, 10 into 10 it's 100, but minus and minus both are having, so that's why minus into minus is the plus one, and 11 into 11 it's 121. So the answer is 100 upon 121. Third one we are going to solve. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 into 6. So here again minus 7 upon 8 into 6 upon 3 minus, like this way. Then 7 6s are 42 upon 3 8s are 24, like this way. Now here minus into minus, again plus will come over here. So when we are finding, we will get that 42 and 24 both are coming in the table of 6. So here it will be 7 6s are 42, 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 7 upon 4. So similar way, the question number 4 and 5 you are supposed to do by your own. Now the question number 7 we are going to solve here. So it is 9 upon 11 divided by minus 8. So here in the question minus 8 is not having any denominator. So for the consideration we can take it as a 1. So here we can write it as 9 upon 11 divided by minus 8 upon 1, like this way, so that we can understand it. So here if we will write down 9 upon 11 into minus 1 upon 8 will come, so that we can solve. So here 9 1s are 9 with the minus sign, and 11 8s are 88. So the answer is 9 minus 9 upon 88 is the answer. Now the 8th question we are going to solve. 5 divided by 2 by 5. So here it is also given, here 5 is also not having any denominator. For the consideration we can take it as 5 upon 1 divided by 2 by 5. So that will be equals to 5 upon 1 into 5 by 2. So that will be equals to 5 5s are 25 upon 2. So here the answer is 5 upon 2, 25 upon 2. So in this way we have completed our practice set number 22. So you are supposed to see the video and then you are supposed to complete your work with the help of this video. Before ending up here, I like to request you to like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Assalamu alaikum, jazakallahu khair. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to study the 6th standard maths decimal fraction question number. Write the proper number in the boxes. So this question we are going to solve today. Here the first question is given to us 3 upon 5 into then empty box, then here it is given 10. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to make the 10 over here. So in the answer we are supposed to get the 10 here. यहाँ पर हमको आंसर में 10 चाहिए, तो हमको 5 को ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि हमारा आंसर 10 आ जाए. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली 5 2s are 10. So here in the denominator if we'll multiply the 5 with the 2, so definitely that should be done in the numerator also. So here it should be 3 2s are 6. So the answer will be 6 upon 10. Second question we are having 25 upon 8 is equals to 25 into then empty box is given, then afterward 8 into 125. If definitely the 125 is multiplied in the denominator, so this number should be multiplied in the numerator also. So here it becomes numerator also. So in the box 125 will come. Then if we will multiply them both, definitely we are supposed to write down the answer over here. So it will be 125 into 25 and 8 into 125. So here we will complete our multiplication. 125 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carry forward. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 it's 12. 12 का 1 carry forward. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 it's 6. Then 2 5s are 10. 1 will be carry forward. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 it's 5. And 2 1s are 2. So the answer of the multiplication will be 5 2 5 plus 1 6 is equals to 11. Then this will be carry forward, so it will become 3. So 3125 upon here we are supposed to multiply the 8 by 125. So here 125 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 4 will be carry forward. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 it's 20. Ka 0 and 2 will be carry forward. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 it's 10. So here it is the 1000. So 1 0 0 it's 1000. Now here 3125 divided by 1000. So here we are supposed to make it in the decimal. So what we are going to do, 1 2 3. So after the 1 2 3 digits we will put the decimal. So here the answer will be 3.125. So the answer of this is 3.125. Now let us go further. The third question we are having 21 upon 2 is equals to 21 upon 2 into here also the box is given and here also the box is given, and here it is mentioned upon 10. So if we want to make the 2 as a 10, so we are supposed to multiply the 2 by the 5. So here in the denominator if we are multiplying by the 5, so definitely in the numerator also. So here what we are going to get, 21 5s are 2 5s are 10, it comes over here. So here 21 5s are, so 21 5s are 5 1s are 5 and 2 5s are 10, so it's 105. So the answer is 105 upon 10. Now here 10 is there. So after the one digit we are going to put the decimal. So answer will be 10.5. Now the fourth question is given to us. 22 upon 40 is equals to 11 upon 20 is equals to 11 into dash, then denominator 20 into 5. Now here if the 5 is in the denominator, definitely it should be written in the numerator. So 5 will come in the here. So 11 5s are 55 and 20 5s are 100. Now if it is 55 upon 100, so here after the decimal will come after the two digits. So here 1 2. So here 0.55 will be the answer. Now let us go with the fifth question. Now for the fifth question is given as 8 upon 5 is equals to 8 upon 5 into box, then is equals to upon 10. Then here also the box is given to us, and then the bigger box is given to us. Now here if it is 10 given, definitely it will be what? Here the 2 should come. If 2 is coming in the denominator, it will come in the numerator also. So 8 2s are 16. 16 upon 10. So here if 16 upon 10 is there, so after the one digit we are going to put the decimal. So answer will be 1.6 for the question. Now here we have completed this question. We are moving further with the next one. Now here the next question we are solving is convert the common fraction into the decimal fraction. Now here some of the common fractions are there with us. We are supposed to change them in the decimal fraction. So here it is given 3 upon 4. अब ये यहाँ पर आपको 3 upon 4 दिया हुआ है. आपको इसको क्या करना है कि डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? 3 अपॉन 4 यानी डिनोमिनेटर को इस तरह से आप चेंज करेंगे कि ये डिनोमिनेटर आपका टेंस, हंड्रेड्स और थाउजेंड्स में जाए और ऊपर जो है आपका आंसर जो है इस तरह से आ जाए कि वो आपको आसानी के साथ डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. तो यहाँ पर जब हम देखते हैं तो 4 को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 25 से, so it becomes 100. So here when it is there, so we are going to multiply this by the 25. So 3 upon 4 into 25 upon 25. So like this way, 3 25 3s are 75 upon 25 4s are 100. So here it comes. Now after this, अब इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 1 2 डिजिट के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर डेसिमल लिखेंगे. सो इट विल बी 0.75 is the answer. Now let us go with the second question. The second question is 4 upon 5. So here it is 4 upon 5 is given. Now if we will multiply this 4 upon 5 with the 2, so it becomes 10, and even we can multiply this by the 20 to make it 100. तो यहाँ पर हम जो है इसको क्या करेंगे? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 4 अपॉन 5 into 2 by 2. So it becomes 8 upon 2 5s are 10. So the answer will be 0.8. Third question we are having 9 upon 8 is equals to, now here it is 8. So we are supposed to multiply this 8 with the 125 to make it 1000. So here 9 upon 8 into 125 upon 125. So that will be 1000 डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया. और यहाँ पे if 125 multiplied by the 9, so the answer will be 1125. So here when we are giving the decimal, so 1 2 3, so after 3 digit we are going to write, so it will be 1.125. so the answer is 1.125. so like this way we had completed our 3 sums. Further we are going with the question number 7, 8 and 9. Now the seventh question is given to us 19 upon 200. So 19 upon 200, if the 200 is there, that we are supposed to change it in the thousand. So for that purpose we are going to multiply it by the 5. So 19 upon 200 into 5 upon 5 is equals to here 1000 upon 19 5s are 95. So it will be 95. Now here if we are giving it in the decimals or writing it in the decimals, so 0.095, because here 2 digits are there, so we are moving 1 digit ahead. पहले जा रहे ना हम, तो इसके लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर 0.0595 लिखना पड़ेगा. Now the 8th question, 6 upon 4 is equals to, now this 4 again we are supposed to multiply it by the 25. So here 6 upon 4 into 25 upon 25 is equals to, here it becomes 100, and 25 6s are 150. So the answer will be 1 2 3. So here it will becomes 1.50. So the answer is 100.50. Now the 9th question we are solving as 3 upon 200. So here again by the with the 200 we will make it by the मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 5. सो यहाँ पर हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको 1000 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 200 इंटू 5 बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 एंड देन 15. सो हियर इट विल बी 1000 है, 1 2 3 डिजिट के बाद जाना है, तो 5 1 and then 0.0. So the answer is 0.015. Here we have completed the 2 questions. The 10th sum we are you are supposed to solve by your own. Here we have completed our 2 questions. So these questions you are supposed to see the video and solve by your own. Now I am ending up over here. Next video we will go with the next topic, inshallah. Before ending up, like and subscribe the channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.